everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a Sephora beauty director.
And hey there, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora Collection.
And this is a little bit different. Instead of maybe thinking about a significant other, we're just kind of like thinking about buying ourselves something nice, buying our friends, maybe our mom or somebody that did something really nice for us this year. So we're going to show you some simple gifts that you can give to someone. Total like hits. Like everybody on the video team agrees these are like amazing. We were chatting about it between takes. So these are total crowd pleasers that you're gonna love, so stay tuned. So the first one we are going to be talking about gives you some incredible choice to choose exactly what you want.
I think we both agree that we were both like, well, this is like super Valentine's Day, but it's also just something that's like a really nice thing to give yourself. I like it because it obviously has the pink box that kind of reads Valentine's Day to me, and fragrance, of course, is always like something you want to give during Valentine's Day. You basically get 5 different little testers here, so you can try out all the fragrances. I highly recommend trying them on your skin because everybody's skin changes things and they all smell a little different. But then once you decide that you have one that you love, you can go in and redeem it for a full size one in any Sephora store in the US.
What I like about these two is this is the rollerball one, so you're gonna redeem it for a rollerball size or a travel size. So if you're on a budget, you wanna get somebody something nice, maybe they were, you know, especially helpful to you this year, you can get one of these. And my favorite in here, it has to be Replica by the Fireplace. And Helen and I were talking about this. These aren't overwhelmingly vanilla scents, which I really, really like because you want some nuance to it. Like I love By the Fireplace because it's like kind of like holiday fallish, like roasted chestnuts and wood, and it has those vanilla gourmand scents to it. So this is definitely my favorite. I'm like, should I just get another travel size of the one I already like?
This one. I'm like, do I spray this one on? I can't decide. I'm like so weird. I'll be like, oh, I don't think I'm a person who likes vanilla, and then I like try all these fragrances. Yeah. And I'm like, oh, maybe I do. And I actually think that the one that smells most vanilla is the one I love, which is the Vanilla Woods one, the 7 Virtues. It smells so much like vanilla, but it also has like pear and rose in it, which it's such a like. It's actually like a really fresh scent. It's not. It sometimes like rose, you think that it can smell like it can go a different direction, like more floral.
Yeah,
but I really like this. It like warms
sometimes.
it up. Yeah, like somehow warms it up.
Yeah, and I also like to get these if I ever see a fragrance I'm thinking about in one of these. I just go ahead and get the Sephora favorites. That way I can have some choice and just decide a little bit. Like I got a Sephora favorites fragrance sampler and it had the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, and I've been needing a refill, and I'm like, let me just get this so I can try some new fragrances. So even if you are so sure you want to get Black Opium, just go ahead and try this out. You can try 4 other fragrances and play around with them.
I love it because you do get, it's like they're all like unexpected vanillas almost. So like the one that is the most vanilla, it even has like I said, like the pear and the rose in it, which is really great. But yeah, it has the Black Opium in it. It has Vanilla Vibes by Juliet Has a Gun, and then it also has the classic Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, which was like such a smash when it came out, and it's still kicking. Everybody still loves that fragrance. I know. From when they tried it the first time. I mean, it's just like a cult favorite. Everybody loves it. Let me pop them back in. Okay, so what do you have next for us, Myiesha?
Okay, so this is something that I think is sort of essential for any makeup look, and that's a really good eyeliner and mascara. I think both of us, since we're artists, we're very picky about eyeliner and mascara being really good and black and pigmented. Very, very much so. So this is from Pat McGrath. This is the Mini Smoky Eye Duo, and you get a mini Dark Star mascara and a mini Permagel eyeliner. And the Permagel eyeliner especially is one of my favorites because it glides really beautifully. So it has that gel formula, but it's super black. It's the perfect start to a smoky eye or a tight line, a super simple look. But I think this is great because especially if you have a friend who's like, oh, I want to try that eye look you were wearing the other day. This is kind of like the base of any eye look, a good eyeliner mascara.
Yeah, I love that. And I think that you said like that David really loves this mascara.
He does.
I haven't tried it yet. Have you?
So this is the volumizing version, and he was telling me how much he loved it. The funny thing is I do get a lot of mascaras, but I try to be good and not open them as soon as I get them out of excitement because I don't want them to dry out.
You're better than me. You're better than me.
No, I'm not. I'm not really. I love the original one, and I typically am a volumizing only type of person. I love the original one. That one's more about like definition and separation and whatnot, and I get good volume from that one, so I'm really excited to try this one because like I love a spidery lash, so I will probably like load up so much of this, and I always like Pat products. It's kind of like the brand I buy when I need to pick me up, so I think this is a perfect little affordable pick-me-up. Okay, so our next pick is something that I use all the time, and people always ask me like, oh, what is that scent? It smells so good, or like, how do you deal with your eczema and like your skin being itchy and dry? And most of the time it's Brazilian Boom Boom Cream from Sol de Janeiro. So this is something I've been using for many years since the brand launched with us, and it's an amazing body butter. The consistency, the way your skin feels after when you put it on after the shower, it's amazing. It also has guarana in it. So guarana is like an energizing drink that you would drink that provides you with caffeine, and caffeine is really great for body creams because it kind of improves that circulation in the skin, which kind of helps to smooth out everything. Everybody wants smooth skin, so that's really great. It also has cupuaçu butter. Cupuaçu butter is something that is native to South America, and you see it a lot in body products. After I started seeing it in Sol de Janeiro, I noticed a lot of body products had it in there. It also has coconut oil, and I like that because after I shave, my favorite thing to put on is coconut oil. So this is kind of like the ultimate souped up version of like an after body care day when you've done all the things, exfoliated and shaved.
Yes,
then I go put this on. Yeah, and I think it's so great. It also comes in like a nude scent if you want to maybe layer it with a perfume and you want that perfume to stay true. They have a different scent that's a little bit more like desserty, which is really nice. So I really like this. It even comes in minis if you want to like get minis for your friend or throw one in your purse and refill it from this one. So this is a classic for me.
I was like, everybody probably saw me. I'm like, my favorite thing to do is like put it on my elbow. So I'm like a crazy person about putting things on your elbow. A lot of people do yoga out here and they don't put, they don't put any lotion on their elbows, and then they have like crusty elbows. So I do really like.
It's so true. It's funny that you say that because I have a little patch of eczema only on my left elbow, and I like make special care to put extra body butter there. I even do like when I do my chemical peels. When I do my Obagi chemical peel, I put a little bit on that little eczema spot. Like, it's great.
I just tried that peel. Yes. Oh my god, that's a genius idea. Not related, but
I
do really love this like butter. It's like the best body butter I think like out there. So it really does moisturize. Like it's one of the best. If you have dry skin, highly recommend this guy.
Yeah, and what I like too is like sometimes people get different creams for their feet and their blah blah blah. Like this one is like thick enough but also not too thick where you can use it from head to toe and like you're totally good. Like it smells good.
It's not sticky at all. Like it absorbs like pretty quickly, but it still like leaves you feeling very moisturized. But I just like that it's like not sticky, and you don't have to wait a long time for it to like absorb into your skin and feel like it's actually like moisturizing.
A lot of times I moisturize before I jump into bed, and I hate when something's so sticky my sheets stick to me, and this is something that I can put on right before I get into bed, and it's not sticky at all. So good point.
Or so I can put on my super tight jeans quickly. I can get dressed quickly and not have to jump up and down to like get them on.
Our last one I think is something that a lot of people kind of do, but now we have a special product that kind of like suits our needs too.
When this was sent to me, I was like, oh, what is this? I'm like, this is new. It's like so exciting. So this is the GISOU. It's a honey infused hair perfume. So I just really like the box, and it matched my outfit, so I didn't want to take it out of the box yet. But it's like, I've been using it. It hasn't been in the box this whole time. What I really like about the GISOU honey infused hair perfume is that it makes your hair obviously smell really amazing. It doesn't really smell, it smells a little bit like honey, but really it smells like a bee garden. It's like this really beautiful, just really beautiful fragrance, and it's not overpowering. What you can do is you can wear your normal fragrance as well. I feel like they don't really compete that much, but honey is excellent for your hair because it acts like a natural humectant, so it's really going to draw moisture to your hair and help your hair just maintain its natural moisture levels.
Yeah, because a lot of times, the reason I say like this is something people already do, but this is a special product for it, if you put regular perfume in your hair, perfumes contain alcohols, not harmful alcohols, but in order to evaporate and not just kind of sit on your skin, they have to have a little bit of alcohol in them, and you don't want to put alcohol in your hair because it can be drying. So this is something that's specially formulated for your hair that won't dry it out, that makes it smell great. Sometimes I just spray my brushes with it and kind of like let it happen instead of spraying myself every day. I kind of spray my tools, so that's another way you can enjoy it too. I think it's great. It's easy to use. This would be a beautiful gift, as you saw with Helen. It comes in that like beautiful like lucite box. So, and
it does add some shine to your hair too, so an added benefit as well as like the fragrance.
Yeah. And if you're not familiar with the brand, because we just started carrying it a few months ago, they have an entire line of like deep conditioner. They have a hair oil. If you want to pair it with something, I think the hair oil and the hair perfume would be like a perfect little pair.
I love
so
that.
definitely check out GISOU.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We loved giving you our recommendations for Valentine's Day. We want to hear what you're getting yourself as well. So be sure to comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye y'all.